The next question, the NEBOSH IGC is highly valued by employers, as I discussed earlier. So next question now now we know what is basically NEBOSH, what is the NEBOSH IGC, and why we need to do it. So now we understand how to select the institute for enroll NEBOSH IGC. So this is also very important to selection of your NEBOSH institute. So where you go and enroll and get this qualification, so you understand this is not only certification. This is not, okay, I go there, I want to pass, etc., etc. Yes, when we plan to the course, the aim is to achieve the qualification. But what is the most important is to understand the qualification. What I am learning there, what the teacher is telling me, what is the method of teacher, how they teach us, and how I taking this qualification into me. So tomorrow I can use this qualification to make my work area safe for the people, asset, and environment. So now we discuss today how to select institute for enroll the NEBOSH IGC. Selecting institute to enroll in the NEBOSH International General Certificate course is crucial for ensuring you receive quality education and training. Here is some key factor to consider when choosing an institute. Accreditation and recognition. NEBOSH accreditation ensure that the institute is accredited by NEBOSH to deliver the IGC course. You can verify this by checking the NEBOSH website where accredited course providers are listed. So few, not many, but few scams everywhere in the world, especially in the Asia. So take care, because many institute is not recognized by NEBOSH and they issuing you diplomas, which now all NEBOSH diploma can be quickly verified by the barcode as well as their website. So make sure your service provider, your training institute is accredited by NEBOSH. Very easy to verify. Go to the NEBOSH website, put their institute number, and you can verify from there. And then reputation. Research the institute reputation. Look for viewers, testimonials, and success stories from the former students. Well-established institute with the track record for producing successful candidate are often a safer bet. So course delivery method. This is very, very important. What is the course delivery method? Classroom-based learning. If you prefer face-to-face interaction, choose an institute that offers traditional classroom-based learning. This can be beneficial for those who thrive in a structured environment and appreciate direct support from instructors. Online learning, which is available also for flexibility, especially if you are working, have other commitments, as the online course might be more suitable. Check if the institute provides robust online learning platform, interactive sessions, and educate support. Blended learning. Some institutes offer a mix online and classroom-based learning. This can provide the best of both worlds, allowing you to learn and at your own pace while also benefiting from in-person guidance. Quality of instructor. This is the most important one. This is the most important. Your instructor quality, how he teaching you, how he putting his knowledge into you. This is very, very important. So instructor credentials, investigate the qualification and experience of the instructor. They should have relevant occupational health and safety experience and strong background in technique and in teaching NEBOSH courses. This also, NEBOSH instructor also should be ideally approved by NEBOSH. So teaching style, if possible, attending demo classes or talk former students to get a sense of the teaching style. It is important that instructor can explain complex concepts clearly and effectively. Support and resources. Study materials. The institute should provide a comprehensive and up-to-date study materials, including textbooks, practice exam, and case studies. Student support. Look for institute that offers strong student support, including access to tutors, additional study sessions, and assistance with the practical assessment IG2. Past exam paper. Check if the institute provide access to past papers and guides on how to approach them. Practicing these can be crucial for successes. Success rate. Pass rates. Inquire about the institution pass rate for the NEBOSH IGC. A highly pass rate is often an indicator of effective teaching and well-structured course. Student testimonials. Look for the testimonials or case studies of students who have successfully completed the course. This can provide insight into the effectiveness of the institute. Cost. Cost is also one important factor when you selecting your institute. Course fee. Compare the fee different institute, but the cautions of very low option that may compromise on quality. Ensure the fee structure is transparent with no hidden costs. So sometimes it's happen you select institute because it's very low in the fees as per your budget, and sometimes you when you see the fee and you say, oh, my budget is this, but this is more low in the budget. But this may be compromise on your qualification as well as the quality of qualification, and sometimes this may be during your certification, this is also be issue. So be mindful for this. Value for the money. Consider what are you getting for your money. Does the institute offer extras like revision session, mock exam, or flexible payments plan? Location. Proximity. If opening class is opening for the class-based learning, choose the institute that conveniently located. This will make attending class more manageable. Global reach. Some institutes have a global presence and offer the flexibility to transfer credits or continue your studies in different locations if needed. Flexibility. Course schedule. Check the institute offer flexible schedule, such as a weekend or evening classes, which can be beneficial if you are other commitments. Rescheduling option. Understand the institute policy on rescheduling class or exam in case you are unable to attend. Additional services. Career support. Sometimes some institute offer career services such as a job placement assistance, CV writing, workshops, or networking opportunities with industry professionals. Post-course support. Look for institute that offer ongoing support even after you are completing the course, such as refresher courses or continuous professional development (CPD) opportunities. Visit institute if possible. Facilities. If possible, visit the institute to access these facilities, including classroom, libraries, and any other resources available to the students. Environment. To learning environment should be conducive to studying with the adequate space, lighting, and access to the necessary resources. Be careful. Considering these factors, you can select the institute that best fits your need and help you to successfully complete the NEBOSH IGC. So now we discuss how to do NEBOSH IGC exam preparations. Preparation for the NEBOSH International General Certificate exam requires a strategic approach to ensure you understand the material and can apply it effectively. Here are some steps to guide and help you to prepare.